Our class Weather Location Loaded Listener implements the Location Loaded Listener interface, which is a nested interface within the Read Location Task class of our app. Now, as we mentioned in a previous video, the Read Location task is going to make a web services call based on a given zip code to get all of the location information. And once it has that information back from the web service, which we're doing in a different task, we want our on-location loaded method to be called with the new information. Now, if the city string is equal to null once this method gets called, that would mean there was some sort of error with the web service returning data, in which case we will display a toast and simply return from this method. Assuming that we actually get all of the data, then what we'll do is display that data in the location text view as a concatenated string, and then we'll launch a new read forecast task, which will then go get the forecast for that city. Now, the read forecast task also receives the zip code string, so it knows what city's zip code to look up, and when that task receives back the data, it is going to notify the weather forecast listener, which we're going to take a look at down in the next video starting at line 214. And that weather forecast listener will then display the weather data.